welcome to Wild Food Hunt in your backyard. Here for South Thistle. This is excellent, absolutely everywhere, all over the world. One of the most widespread weed in the world with a germination ratio that is unbelievable. A plant like this will create thousands of seedlings, and guess what? That's good because it's edible. So here I'll tell you how to positively identify. This plant looks very similar to dandelions because it's got flowers just the same, yellow flowers just the same as dandelions, and it produces a clock of seeds just the same as dandelions. See? But the difference is dandelion will only ever have one flower per stalk. See that? Look how many flowers this one got. So this is dandelion and this is South Thistle. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can eat them both. Flavor is bitter, so you want to eat this before it goes to seeds and with other greens. Put it in pies, put it in your stir fries, put it in your curries, pasta sauces. This is an incredible vegetable, and I wouldn't eat the one gone to seeds, but I would eat this one when it's green and yummy. Take advantage when it's growing in your yard and put it in all together with the other vegetables. This is a plant that is much loved by the Greek people all over the Mediterranean really, and Pacific Islanders. Would you be one to love this plant too? Eat up your yard.